What's the meaning of archaeologist? Archaeologist. Archaeologist.
Archaeologist. Archaeologist. An archaeologist is a scientist who studies human history and prehistory through excavating sites and analyzing artifacts, architecture, and other physical remains. They often work in the field alongside teams of experts, carefully recording and interpreting data to gain insights into past cultures, societies, and lifestyles. Archaeologists use a variety of tools and techniques, including remote sensing technologies, to uncover and analyze evidence that sheds light on the evolution of humanity. Their work is important because it helps us better understand our past and how we got to where we are today.